Now a little bit rain. I hope not too much for the weekend, but we see.
You ride a lot since Spain?
After Spain?
Yeah.
No, not too much. I make 1 week relax because after Spain I feel tired. I don't know, feel no good. But last week I have a French championship, and so I make a good race, and yeah, I'm ready for this weekend.
Sign on done, 10:30. Just been and looked at the cross. Overnight rain, so a bit slippery, but I think it's going to do the tests real good. It was a bit sandy, so yeah, it's really packed it down, and I think we're in for a good one here in Finland.
When I do one session and then people change.
Nice training area. The ground looks really good. Some rain now, but for the race for sure it's amazing.
How are you feeling? Sun's out.
Yeah, sun's out, guns out. It's looking good. I think first lap's going to be a little bit slippery, but I think it's going to be pretty prime after that. So look forward to getting out there.
Second place.
Good first day.
Yes, not bad, but second lap was shit with a big crash in the enduro test and cross test also. And after it's difficult to have a good confidence. And the extreme for me is difficult today. No feeling, but no, the speed is good. It's good for tomorrow. I just need to stay on the bike and push. Thank you.
Yeah, Finland GP pretty good. Finished first and first in the Enduro 3 category, fourth and third overall today. Today was good. Yesterday I had a big crash in the first Enduro test, felt a little bit sore really, a little bit with the tongue as well. But, yeah, made a couple of changes after the first lap today, and that was a big improvement. So happy to kind of put some really good Enduro tests in, and yeah, overall a good weekend for me and the team.
Yeah, a bit. Yeah, so we just finished the weekend here in Finland. It was a nice weekend for me. 11 and 10 in the Enduro GP class, so not so bad for the top 10 today. It was a really tough weekend here, but Yeah, I feel good on the bike, and I need to continue to be in the top 10. It's the goal now. But yeah, overall a pretty good weekend for me. Thanks to all the team.
Hello, we just finished the week here in Finland. Hard week for me with a lot of mistakes Saturday and today, Sunday. But okay, it's like this. Now I need working, and I am ready for Portugal.
That's a wrap of the GP of Finland. Pretty content with my weekend. Yesterday had some strong times and good results. Today also, again, just a small penalty. We failed noise control, so a bit of a strange run with the weather conditions. I wasn't the only one, so we'll see what goes on about that from the race control. But didn't change any of the results in my class, so still finished third and just affected a few positions for the overall. But nevertheless, happy, and a few more weeks until Portugal, so we can always improve, and happy to be here.